hand real quick.
Oh, stop, they stop.
Go! Shots fired. Officer needs help.
Southeast Division patrol officers were in the area of South Figueroa Street and East Rosecrans Avenue when they initiated a traffic stop on a white four-door sedan, possibly driving under the influence. The suspect's vehicle initially began to accelerate, but suddenly stopped at Broadway north of Rosecrans Avenue.
Shots fired. Officer needs help.
ATA 1, you're okay.
Northbound Broadway, Rosecrans.
All units, officer needs help northbound Rosecrans from Broadway. Officer needs help northbound Broadway from Rosecrans. Any air unit coming on southwest frequency. Correction, southeast frequency.
Okay, and 135th Street. We took shots fired. The car is last seen northbound on Broadway at 135th Street. We need an RA, Broadway 135.
Before the officers were able to get out of their police vehicle, the suspect fired numerous rounds at the officers with a fully automatic weapon. An officer-involved shooting occurred when one officer returned fire. The suspect sped away from the scene in the vehicle northbound on Broadway. Officers attempted to follow, but lost sight of the vehicle in the area of 135th Street and Broadway.
Traffic stop.
Unit code 6 for future location.
Adam 44 on Broadway, north of Rosecrans. Hey, this guy's not stopping. Keep an eye out, make sure he's not.
ATA 44,
see anything out of the
Broadway,
vehicle.
north of Rosecrans. ATA 145, still cancel.
You want to call it a reckless or DUI if they take off?
He's been swerving.
And I got a PA. Move your hand real quick.
Oh, stop, they stop.
Go! Shots fired. Officer needs help. Get the car!
What was that? You good?
Go! Just go! We're gonna be northbound.
ATA 1, your location.
Northbound Broadway from Rosecrans.
What they hit us with, dude?
Hey! No, go!
Dude,
Go!
what the fuck was that?
What
the fuck was that?
I don't know. Chuck, do you know where they went?
No.
Do you know where they went?
No.
No, stop! We're stopping. Adam 44. Adam 44. We're on Broadway and 135th Street. Shots fired. And I got a PA. Move your hand real quick.
Oh, stop, they stop.
Go! Shots fired. Officer needs help. Get the car!
What was that? You good?
No! Just go! We're gonna be northbound.
ATA 1, your location.
Northbound Broadway from Rosecrans.
What they hit us with, dude?
Hey! No, go!
Dude,
Go!
All
fuck was that?
northbound Rosecrans from
The fuck
Broadway.
was that?
I don't know.
Northbound Broadway.
Chuck, do you know where they went?
no.
Do you know where they went? No, stop. We're
Any air
stopping.
unit coming on southwest frequency.
Adam 44.
Southeast frequency.
Adam 44. We're on Broadway and 135th Street. We took shots fired. The car is last seen northbound on Broadway at 135th Street.